Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello everyone. So in this video we are talking about India's first cooperative-led ride-hailing platform by the name Bharat Taxi. This is an important platform. It is the first cooperative-led ride-hailing platform. Unlike other private applications such as your Uber or Ola, it is driver-owned model that is supported by the Ministry of Corporation and promoted by various cooperatives such as Amul, NABARD, IFCO, right? Then this model is built for the riders and owned by the drivers, where the drivers they become the shareholder with a minimum investment of 500 rupees. Drivers keep 100% commission here of their earnings minus the platform fee, which is aims to reduce their total cancellation. Correct. Apart from this includes a one-tap SOS button, emergency contact alerts, and a siren button within the application. Now, why we are discussing this news right now is this was earlier also, correct? Earlier, it was in Delhi, or we can say Delhi NCR and Gujarat. But now, there has been a game changer and now it has been launched in Mumbai, Maharashtra also. Correct? So, Piyush Goyal, our Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, has launched Bharat Taxi. Right? So, I repeat, earlier, this application was launched where? It was in Delhi NCR and Gujarat, but now it will be benefiting Mumbai also, Mumbai, Maharashtra, right? Then it is similar platform. You want to go from one location to another, you get an OTP, the driver comes and picks you up and he will drop you, give the OTP and then you give the final payment of it. This is your payment plan and this is your platform, that is Bharat Taxi application. Correct? You can see it in the picture. Piyush Goyal, he has recently launched this in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Then if we talk about it, this newly launched app will offer various benefits to taxi drivers such as zero commissions, no subscription charges, free insurance cover of 5 lakh rupees and access to Mudra loans also. In June, 8 national level cooperative institutions established the Bharat Taxi under the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act and was officially launched on 5th of Feb 2026. Since its launch, the initial base of the taxi has been increased more than 25,000 rides per day. Then if we talk about some of the key points, as we just discussed, this is a Cooperatives Act, comes under the Ministry of Corporation, NCDC, Amul, IFCO, NABARD, they make sure that it is running properly. This platform does not charge commission per ride. Driver retains 100% of the fare or pay a minimal fixed fee, that is 30 rupees for cars, 18 for autos, rather than losing 20 to 30% earning to platform fees. Passengers benefit from the standard transparent fees without extreme surge pricing, making it up to 30% cheaper than other competitors. Also, it provides insurance, financial aid and a minimum guaranteed base rate. It includes strict verification and in some cities 35% police booths for passenger security also. Right? Now, based on this, students, let's have some important MCQs. First question. Which mission was unveiled by Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the India AI Impact Summit 2026 to represent a transformative vision for AI? It is Manav Vision. Second, which multilingual AI tool was proposed in the Union Budget 26-27 to provide a real-time advisory support to the farmers? That is Bharat Vistar. What is Vistar? Virtually integrated system to access agriculture resources. Third, which country launched the 12 satellites in early 2026 to begin building the three-body computing constellation, the world's first space-based supercomputer? It is China. Fourth, Google has launched a multi-layered AI ecosystem strategy in 25-26 built around Gemini 2.5 model. What is the strategy called? The strategy is AI Mitraksha. Correct? Next, Fifth, which Indian institution has launched a moonshot project in 2026 to develop brain co-processors combining neuromorphic hardware and AI? So, which Indian institution launched it? It was launched by IISc Bengaluru. Sixth, at the India AI Impact Summit, which global tech leader announced a $15 billion America India Connect initiative? Right? So, at this, which global tech leader announced it? It was announced by Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google. Seventh, how many sectoral AI impact casebooks were released by the Government of India during the 2026 AI Summit to showcase scalable innovation? So, how many casebooks were released? 6 casebooks were released. Seventh, and now this is the eighth. Which of the following is not one of the priority sectors covered in the 170 plus AI innovations showcased at the India AI Impact Summit 2026? So, heavy industrial mining, right? It was not showcased. Then ninth, in the Sutra Chakra framework discussed at the India AI Impact Summit, which chakra focuses specifically on reskilling and preparing the workforce? It is human capital chakra. Then 10th, what is the primary goal of the India AI Impact Summit held in New Delhi? The aim was advancing an impact oriented and people oriented approach to artificial intelligence. So these are certain important MCQs related to AI, students, right? And initially we discussed about Bharat Taxi, that is the first cooperative led ride hailing platform for auto rickshaws and cab drivers, right? And it is very beneficial and it is in rival with Ola and Uber. That's all for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.